If you've never used Temu before, this guide is for you. When I first downloaded the app, I had no idea where to start. There were coupon codes everywhere, dozens of videos claiming they had the best method, and so many different tips that it became confusing, so I decided to simplify everything. Step 1. Start with the right coupon code. Before you browse product or open the free gift section, activate the code on the screen. I tested several random codes during my first few shopping sessions, and this one consistently gave me the strongest overall experience. Step 2. Explore the app. Now, take a few minutes to browse normally. Look through the categories you're actually interested in. Don't rush into adding random items just because they're on sale. Step 3. Check your offers. Once you've started your session, look at the available promotions. When I compared different starting methods, I regularly noticed larger coupon bundles, stronger discount offers, extra reward opportunities, and a more active free gift section when I began with the code on the screen. Step 4. Compare before you decide. One mistake I made as a beginner was assuming every coupon code worked the same way. They don't. After trying random codes from older videos, I realized many of them produced average results. The code on the screen consistently gave me a better overall setup. Step 5. Keep your expectations realistic. Here's the most important advice I can give. Don't expect every account to receive identical offers. Temu updates its promotions regularly, and rewards can vary depending on the account and current promotions. The goal isn't to chase unrealistic promises, it's to give yourself the best possible starting point. That's exactly why my routine changed. Instead of searching for a new secret code every week, I simply begin every Temu session with the code on the screen. It's the approach that repeatedly gave me better coupon bundles, stronger discounts, and more reward opportunities during my testing. Final advice for beginners. If this is your very first time using Temu, don't overcomplicate it. Start with one code you trust. Browse naturally, compare the offers you receive, then decide what makes the most sense for you. That's a much better strategy than jumping between dozens of random codes online. If you're brand new to Temu, activate the code on the screen before you start exploring. Then come back and tell me what your first experience was like and which offers showed up for you.